2026 BMW K 1600B, best new cruiser with luxury bagger and inline-six muscle. The 2026 BMW K 1600B takes the bagger concept and infuses it with Bavarian engineering excellence, delivering a mix of long-haul comfort, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable presence on the road. Designed for riders who want the power of a grand tourer with the sleek silhouette of a cruiser, it's both a performance machine and a rolling statement piece. At the heart of the K 1600B lies a 1,649 cubic centimeters oiled water-cooled inline-six engine, a configuration renowned for smoothness and effortless torque delivery. This six-cylinder masterpiece produces 160 horsepower, now reaching peak output 1,000 RPM earlier than before, and 132.7 pound-foot of torque at 5,250 RPM. The result is exceptional acceleration and highway overtaking power. Top speed exceeds 120 miles per hour, with a slightly reduced maximum of about 111 miles per hour when riding with the floorboards deployed. BMW Motorrad has equipped the 2026 K 1600B with a suite of luxury and convenience features aimed at enhancing both rider enjoyment and touring practicality. Audio system 2.0 with concealed antennas, premium sound quality, smartphone integration, and intuitive menu navigation. 10.25-inch full-color TFT display with integrated navigation, connectivity features, anti-reflective coating, and 4 programmable favorites buttons for quick access to rider preferences. Full LED adaptive headlight that automatically adjusts the beam direction when cornering, improving nighttime visibility and safety. Touring comfort enhancements, including spacious floorboards for a relaxed riding posture, an integrated USB-C charging compartment for smartphones, and the exclusive option 719 ionic silver metallic finish with hand-painted pinstripes for a bespoke touch. The base MSRP for the 2026 BMW K 1600B starts at $24,335 plus destination charges. Higher spec configurations with additional options and accessories can push the price upward of $26,000, depending on customization. The 2026 BMW K 1600B is a machine that redefines what a luxury bagger can be. With its commanding inline-six performance, advanced rider technology, and meticulous design details, it's built for those who see touring as an experience to savor rather than simply endure. Whether crossing state lines or cruising into the sunset, this bagger offers a ride that's as refined as it is powerful.